Hi, this is Samantha, and for my second video, I'm going to be doing the math strategy, number lines for subtraction. In the last video, we kind of worked backwards, wrote the number line first, and then figured out an equation to use an example. For this, we're going to do that the opposite way. We're going to think of number lines open-endedly. So what that means is when you write the equation, you put the numbers on that number line. So for instance, let's say we have 241 minus 64. We have to figure out what it equals. For an open number line, you take the smallest number, which is 64, and you start your number line with that. And you write it out, and you put your biggest number, which is 241, and you put it on the end. Now, when you subtract using number line, you don't start at the beginning at the smallest number, you start at the end with the biggest number, and you work backwards. And the fun thing about using a number line that's open with nothing in the middle is that you can jump however many times you want and do whatever you need to do to get 264 down here. So we're going to start. I'm going to try to get this to a nice friendly number, and I'm going to jump 1. And as you do that, you record how much you hop with what it turns into when you subtract that number. So we subtracted 1, goes down to 240. I'm going to jump 40 and get to 200. And since I can do these however I want to, I'm going to take another big leap and subtract 100. So now I'm at 100. And as you can see, I'm rapidly approaching our 64 right here. So I'm going to take a few smaller hops. I'm going to go subtract 20, and I'm going to go down to 80, and then I'm going to subtract another 10 and get to 70. Now, when we get to this point, we can see that 70 minus 64 is 6. So we've reached the end of our number line. We got to 64. That's exciting. So what we need to do now is take all these numbers that we subtracted by and add them together. So we get 100 plus 40 plus 20 plus 10 plus 6 plus 1. And you notice I put these in descending order. You don't have to do that. This is just, again, it's my choice. When I add, makes it a little bit easier for me. So 140, 140 plus 20 is 160, 170, 177 is our answer. Ta-da! We did it! Yay! Smiley face. We found the answer using a number line. And this is really great for when students are learning how to group. It's really great for learning flexible thinking and showing students that they can get this in almost an infinite number of combinations, because I could do this 10 times and not do it the same way. So I hope you liked it, and I hope it helps.